Okay, let's do a bike check right here, right now. I'm gonna do a bike check now. Go on, let's see you attempt a bike check.
I got my frame and my bars. Oh, I have forks.
Wow.
I also got wheels. One of them's oil slick and one of them's not. And one of my tyres is pink and one of them's not. I got my Halford's bike lock.
Wow.
There's donuts on it.
Wow.
Yeah. I also have a chain and some cranks pans.
Do you?
Yeah. And also grips, because I'm cool.
Wow. I think you're missing out something.
No, that is a complete bike check.
Yeah, okay. I'll go with that.
What did I miss on?
Pedals?
I said pedals.
Sprocket?
I said pedals. I missed my sprocket. Okay.
Okay, let's see, actually try to name some of the stuff on your bike.
All I know is odyssey rims, and the wasp pods.
Yeah?
I don't remember what the frame is.
Oh my fucking god!
My bars and forks are Mafia.
Wow.
I don't know what they are, but they're Mafia.
Yeah.
That says eclat on it, so I'm guessing it's eclat.
You really don't know what the fucking frame is.
I can't remember. Fit? No. Weasel people? Probably not. I'm just trying to remember bike name things.
Come on. This is really funny because you were looking at your name literally yesterday. And today on the text.
BSD.
Well done!
Yeah.
Now let's see if you know the specs of any of your parts.
No?
Top tube length of your frame?
3.
I mean, that does include a free. It does include a free.
Yes.
Go on, what could it be?
What is it meant to be?
A BMX is a inch bike.
23?
Fucking hell.
I don't know.
A BMX has how many inch wheels? How big?
20?
Yes, so therefore the frame is...
20?
Yes, but it does have a 3 in it, which means...
Oh, 20.3.
Yay! What about your bars? What do you think they are?
30.
Yeah, 30 what?
Inches?
Yeah, but like high, wide?
I don't know.
Yeah, and how high? Rise.
Under 10.
Yes. Be more specific.
Fuck. Yeah, more than 7 and under 10.
More specific than that.
9?
Yeah! What do you think about your cranks?
They're very nice, thank you.
Right, how long do you think they are?
4 inches?
It's not in inches.
320. 169. 150. 165.
Well done. It literally says on the crank. Yes. What do you think your forks are offset?
3. 6.
Times that by 4 at least.
24. 30. 25. 27.
You're so close.
28.
Yes. Well done.
How come you know all this shit?
Because I remember these things.
They're just random numbers, so I don't know what I mean.
Here we have the depiction of it. Your classical BMX girl. Hashtag remember to put the hashtag. Go on, do some stunts then. We've done the whole bike check, now let's see a stunt. At least show me that you can carve around a ramp. Well done. You didn't die.